Guru is the Brahma who creates knowledge. Guru is the Vishnu who sustains knowledge. Guru is the Shiva who destroys the darkness of ignorance. I salute such a great Guru. Dream big, dream often, and dream without limits. Chola dynasty has been the largest ruling dynasty of the world. It has ruled from 3rd century BCE to 13th century AD. And I feel very proud to be the student of Chola House. A very good morning, respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers and all my dear Bhavnates. On behalf of Chola House, I, Ganika Salapudi, take as an honor to conduct this morning assembly. Assembly is the great way to get this whole together, and every student need a start to get their brain developed well. Prayer. Prayer does not mean asking. Prayer means putting oneself in the hands of God. So I request our prayer group, and I also request all of you to join your hands, close your eyes and start singing. Pledge. Pledge acknowledges the fact our freedom in this country. So I welcome Tejasri to administer the pledge. Thought of the day. Our life is shaped by our mind. We become what we think. Joy follows a pure thought that like a shadow that never fades. I invite Rishit Gupta for thought of the day. News headlines. Updating ourselves is good, and it is a never-ending habit. We all should have that kind of habit to show the responsibility towards the society, towards the nation, and it is possible only when we are eager and fond of it. So I invite Himesh to update us with the current happening. Birthdays. Birthday is a lovely flower that blooms in a life's garden, and that blossom should be brightened, especially today. The life of a man is measured not by the years, but it is measured by the footprints that he leaves in the other people's lives, thoughts, hearts. Today, some of our Bhavnates are celebrating the birthday, so let us wish them by singing birthday song. Poetry is when an emotion found its thought and the thought found its words. Here is Hasita for English recitation. Mathematics. Mathematics may not teach you how to add love or minus hate, but it gives every hope that every problem has a solution. Here is Jaysri to update us with the algebraic formulas. Here is Shanmukh for cautions. Now I would like to invite our walking role model and idol of perfection, our beloved Principal Ma'am, to give her valuable advices. We all should remember the amount of flag waving, pledging, endurance and favoring the singing of national anthem is the evidence that we are patriotic in the real sense of this word. So it's time to utilize the 52 seconds to sing our national anthem. Thank you all for joining. This is Ganika signing off.